In this video, I will be showing you how to add background music to your Canva video. Let's get started. From the Canva home screen, I begin by looking through the various video templates available, and I'll select the landscape video option to open a new project. I'm presented with a wide variety of templates to choose from, so I'll scroll through the library to find something that fits my needs. I'm looking for a countdown timer, so I'll continue scrolling down until I find the right one. Once I find a template I like, I click on it to see the details and then select Customize this template to open it in the editor. Now that my project is open, I'll go to the bottom of the screen and click on Add Audio to open the music library. I'll use the search bar at the top of the audio panel to look for a specific sound, so I'll type in Countdown to see what's available. I can hover over the different tracks to preview them, and once I find the perfect aggressive trailer sound, I'll click and drag it directly onto my timeline. Now I can play back the video to see how the music aligns with the countdown animation. To fine-tune the audio, I'll click on the beat sync option at the top to ensure the transitions match the rhythm perfectly. Finally, I'll adjust the volume slider to make sure the background music is at the right level for my project. And that's how you add a background music fast and easy.